There it is, Tuesday morning. I wonder what treasures await. Oh boy, I'm so excited. I'm over with the kits and I just saw, I thought it was a perler bead thing, but I think it's not. A beaded pin set for $2. I might grab that. So, as you could see from that opening video, I went to a Tuesday morning for the first time a little while ago. And while I was exploring, I came across these little $2 pin kits. At first I thought they were perler beads, but it says no heat required, so I was super intrigued how that worked. I got two, so in case I completely balls one up, I have a backup to try again. Upon opening it, there is a set of full color instructions, which is nice, as well as a template for one donut and one cupcake, a slightly blunted needle, clear nylon thread, 2 self-adhesive pin backs, and plenty of assorted beads. Looking at the directions, you peel the release sheet off of the template and lay the beads one at a time, all facing the same direction onto the template so the holes line up, following the color guide. However, there are plenty of beads left over in the end that if you wanted to change up the colors a bit, I'm sure that would be absolutely fine. But I decided to just follow the template as is. Or rather, I guess the beads did. Well, that was cool. After the beads were all stuck down according to the template, the next step was to take the clear nylon thread with the needle and sew through the beads back and forth in one direction, and then double back and sew back and forth the opposite way so you ended up back where you started to hold everything together securely. I think it made for a pretty sturdy little piece, actually. And finally, I pulled the release sheet off of the back of one of the pin findings and stuck it on the back of a donut. And it was done. I made the second piece, the cupcake, off camera, as you can see here. These are the leftover beads after making both of these projects. There might even be enough to make something else with them. There's no more sticky plastic templates or pin findings, but there is plenty of nylon thread left, so you probably could finagle one or more sort of perler bead looking matte things. That's not a pin, I guess. Overall, for $2, I had a lot of fun making this kit. And the instructions were clear and simple, though I do recommend using a pair of tweezers to place the beads if you do this kit and have giant sausage fingers like I do. So I definitely give this kit, I don't know, 5 out of 5 aces? I totally haven't been watching lots of Nerdy Crafter recently. What are you talking about? Let me know if you like this video. If I see cheap kits while I'm out in the world, I can pick them up and play with them, or you could just leave it to other YouTubers that have been doing this for way longer. Subscribe if you like fun, creative, left brain things. Ring the bell so you don't miss any uploads. And until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye.